Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna give the answer to one of the questions where somebody asked in Quora that how can I earn money from affiliate marketing as a newbie? So I'm gonna give answer to that question. But before telling you this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? Now without any delay, let me give the answer to the question that how can I earn money from affiliate marketing as a newbie? So here, before giving my answer, you can see that I have made $500. It is one of the program that I am promoting right now. And you can see I have made over $20,000 in affiliate commission. And there is another, you can see that I have made $2,000. It is one of the high ticket commission that I have made. Now here, my disclaimer, results are not guaranteed. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but a legitimate business opportunity. Success comes from hard work, sacrifice, and consistency. This content is for educational purpose only and reflects my personal results. So this is my disclaimer to you. Got it? Now, moving to your question. How can I earn money from affiliate marketing as a newbie? So here, whenever time comes to make money doing affiliate marketing, especially for beginner, then I always say, please focus on one thing. Now here, what I mean by that, focus on one thing. My meaning is simple. When you are going to start doing affiliate marketing, then you have to focus on one thing. And here, you have to pick one problem in your niche or in your market that you want to solve of your ideal prospect or of your ideal customer. Pick one problem. As in my case, there are people, those who are looking for how to make money doing affiliate marketing. They go on YouTube or they go on Google and they search or they type how to make money doing affiliate marketing. So considering that problem, I want to solve this problem. I have picked that very problem. And somewhere it was my problem too. When I started my affiliate marketing business, I used to search on Google as well as on YouTube that how to make money online doing affiliate marketing or how to start affiliate marketing so that I can make money. So I was looking for it. And somewhere I have solved this problem for me. So considering that problem, I want to solve the same very problem for my ideal prospect, for my ideal customer. So same thing you have to do. You have to pick one problem that you want to solve in the market for your ideal prospect or for your ideal customer. So pick one problem. Don't try to solve so many problems. If you do that, then you will be overwhelmed with so much information. So don't be that guy. Right? Next thing. Once you know that, okay, yes, this is the problem that I want to solve in the market, then you have to pick one affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem. As you know that, okay, yes, there are people, those who are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So you have to come up with the product through which you are going to solve this problem where they will get to know that how to make money doing affiliate marketing. So pick that affiliate product. And here, one thing I would say that please, whenever you are going to pick the affiliate product, First, you go through the product. And when you see that it's a great product to promote, it provides real value, it solves the problem of your ideal customer, then go and start promoting it. Never ever promote any product just for the sake of making money. Never ever promote. Because you know that this business is all about trust. This business is all about goodwill. When trust is gone, your business is gone. When goodwill is gone, your business is gone. If you promote any crappy product that doesn't provide any value. And how will you get to know that this product provides real value or not? When you go through this product personally. So this is my humble request to you. Before promoting any product, first you go through the product. And when you know that, okay, yes, it's a great product, it provides real value, then go with that product. And when you don't know that it's not a great product, it doesn't provide any real value, then don't promote it. Right? So it's a good practice. First you go through the product and then you can start promoting that very product in the market. Got it? Now, next thing. Once you know, okay, this is my affiliate product, then what you have to do? You have to pick one sales system so you can promote your affiliate offer offering bonuses. So create your 2-step sales system having landing page and bridge page so that you can build your email list, and through your sales system, you promote your affiliate offer offering bonuses just to give extra reason to buy from you, just to stand out from the competition. So create 2-step sales system, one sales system. Got it? Next, you have to pick one traffic source. Yes, this is very, very important. When I started my affiliate marketing business, I was jumping on one traffic source to another, or you can say I was learning every traffic source, and that was my blunder mistake that I was doing. Here I would say, please don't be that guy. Don't try to learn every traffic source. Pick one and master it. Pick one traffic source and master it. Learn everything that you can learn about that one traffic source. Don't try to be omnipresent. If you go with this idea of omnipresent, then I must tell you from my personal experience, you will be broke. So don't be that guy. Pick one traffic source and master it. Got it? Next, once you know that, okay, this is my platform where you are going to promote your affiliate offer. Yes, it can be Facebook, it can be YouTube, it can be LinkedIn, it can be Instagram. It's up to you. Let's assume you are going with Instagram. Then what you have to do, you have to start publishing daily on that platform, providing value to your ideal prospect or to your ideal customer. Start providing value through your valuable content. Start solving the problem of your ideal customer through your valuable content. Right? So overall idea is that start publishing daily with the value where you solve the problem of your ideal customer. Right? Next thing, give at least 6 to 12 months time. This is very, very important. Don't think that if you don't make any money within 1 week or 1 month, don't think that this is not going to work. This platform is not working. This product is not working. Give at least 6 to 12 months time. Have patience. Right? Next, don't jump on one sign object to another sign object. I have done this mistake. Don't be that guy. If you do that, then you are not going to get the success in affiliate marketing business. You are not going to make money in affiliate marketing business if you jump on one sign object to another, one product to another. Right? And next, this is very, very important. Believe in yourself, believe in the process, and believe in affiliate marketing. Treat this affiliate marketing business as a real business. So believe is everything. Right? And don't doubt. Don't be skeptical. As you know that skeptical people always get skeptical results. Believe in affiliate marketing. Don't doubt. Whatever you do, do it with a belief. Okay. Next, this is very, very important. If you want to get fast results in your affiliate marketing business, then I would highly recommend you, please have a mentor. And you know that your mentor is someone who will guide you, who will take your hand and will show you what you have to do and what you don't have to do, because he's the person who knows what works and what doesn't. He has done every trial, every mistake, and every, you can say, test. And after doing everything, he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you, that will be scientifically proven to work, right? So these are the things that you have to do if you want to earn money from affiliate marketing as a newbie, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, if you want to get my book for free, all you have to do is like, share, and comment. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.